Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, today we are talking about the ultimate guide to travel insurance in Canada, and our website is Heartbeacon. So guys, let's begin. If you are considering becoming an Uber driver in Canada, you must familiarize yourself with the ins and outs of Uber driver insurance. Understanding the legal requirements will protect you and give you peace of mind as you hit the road to earn extra income. In this ultimate guide, we will explore everything you need to know about Uber rideshare driver insurance in Canada, from the different types of coverage to how to get insurance and manage your costs effectively. Understanding the basics of Uber driver insurance. When working as a driver for the ride-sharing giant Uber, it's essential to understand the unique car insurance needs of the job. Uber driver insurance is a specific form of coverage to protect individuals who work as drivers for the company. While your personal auto insurance policy may provide same coverage, it's essential to understand the insurance requirements and limitations that come with driving for Uber. What is Uber driver insurance? Uber driver insurance is insurance coverage specifically tailored for individuals who work as drivers for Uber. As a driver, you operate a vehicle for business purposes, so you must ensure your insurance coverage protects you. While your auto insurance policy provides coverage for personal use, it typically excludes coverage for business related activities such as driving Uber, regardless of whether you are ride sharing, operating as an Uber delivery service, or Uber Eats driver. This insurance gap between a personal policy and commercial policy is where Uber driver insurance comes in. Uber insurance aims to fill in the gaps your auto insurance policy leaves. It provides the necessary coverage to ensure that you and your passenger are protected in the event of an accident or other incidents on the road. If you have an accident while driving for Uber and only have personal insurance, you may face severe financial and legal consequences without proper coverage. What does the in-house what does the in-house Uber car insurance cover? Uber drivers in some provinces have access to Uber's in-house insurance. Uber's insurance is a commercial insurance policy that protects drivers when they are engaged on the Uber app, driving to a call or driving a passengers before September 1, 2020 in accidents were covered by India insurance, but since September 1, 2020, they are covered by economical insurance. Uber insurance coverage differs between provinces, however, their policies comply with the insurance requirements of the province you live in. Why is Uber driver insurance necessary? Uber driver insurance is necessary because personal auto insurance policies typically exclude coverage for any business related activities. If you have an accident while driving for Uber and rely solely on your personal insurance, you may face severe financial and legal consequences. You operate as a small business owner. When rideshare driving for Uber, you are providing a service to passengers and earning income from your driving activities. As a result, you need insurance coverage that reflects the risk and liabilities associated with being a rideshare driver. Uber drivers insurance provides the necessary coverage to ensure that you and your passengers are protected in the event of an accident and other incidents in the road. It covers a range of potential risks including bodily injury, property damage, and medical expenses. Without proper insurance coverage, you could be held personally liable for any damages or injuries while driving for Uber. The legal requirements for Uber driver insurance in Canada. Before hitting the road as an Uber driver, it's essential to understand the specific insurance requirements in your province. Each province has its own set of regulations and minimum coverage limits that drivers must adhere to. By familiarizing yourself with these requirements, you can ensure that you comply with the laws and are adequately protected. Provincial insurance requirements. Provincial insurance requirements vary from province to province, so you must research what is expected of you. By meeting the minimum coverage limits set by your province, you can ensure that you operate within the legal boundaries. In British Columbia, for example, Uber drivers must have a minimum of $200,000 in third-party liability coverage. This coverage is intended to protect you if you cause harm to others while driving for Uber Eats. Ensure that you have the necessary financial resources to cover any damages or injuries that may occur. Uber the insurance policy for drivers. In addition to the provincial requirements, Uber has its own insurance policy that provides additional driver coverage. This policy is designed to complement your existing coverage and provide extra protection while you are actively engaged with the Uber app. Types of Uber driver insurance in Canada. Personal auto insurance. Personal auto insurance is more individuals standards insurance coverage for their personal vehicles. It provides coverage for personal use but usually excludes coverage for any commercial or business related activities. While this policy may offer some coverage when you are offered off the clock with Uber, more is needed when actively driving passengers. Uber in-house car insurance. Uber provides in-house insurance through Economical Insurance Canada in Alberta, British Columbia, Nova Scotia, Ontario, Quebec, and Saskatchewan. Uber's in-house insurance offers liability coverage and its in some cases coverage for damage. Uber's insurance is only in effect when you are engaged with the app. Commercial auto insurance. If you plan on driving for Uber full time or have a vehicle exclusively used for commercial purposes, commercial auto insurance could be a suitable option. Commercial auto insurance policies are specifically designed to cover vehicles used for business activities and usually offer more comprehensive coverage and higher liability limits. Rideshare insurance. Rideshare insurance is a specialized type of coverage that fills the gaps between personal auto insurance policies and the coverage provided by Uber. This coverage is designed specifically for rideshare drivers. It ensures that you have adequate coverage during all stages of driving for Uber, including when you are awaiting a passenger, when you have a passenger in the vehicle, and when you are off duty. How to get Uber driver insurance in Canada? Steps to apply for Uber driver insurance. So guys, you will know about this in on website. Go to website. So guys, hope you all know about the ultimate guide to Uber driver insurance in Canada. So guys, we will meet in the next video. Till that, bye. Subscribe my channel and don't forget to like my video. Bye bye.